Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, on the ETH chart, we are currently tracking still this potential rally to new highs. I would say ideally into the 5,720 plus region. That would be ideal. There are a couple of ways how this move up can be interpreted. I haven't even labeled them all here, but one way, and that is sort of what I'm tracking primarily, is still the white scenario. So that we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2. This would be a third wave, the fourth wave, and the fifth wave. What I don't like about this wave count is that the wave 4 was quite deep. It's all okay, but it's quite deep. It's a diagonal pattern. The fifth wave would be an ABC structure. I've labeled it here as an ABC, but it would have to be quite long compared to waves 1 and 3 in order to reach new all-time highs and the ideal fib levels. Another way would even be that we say, okay, we have a 1-2. This is actually an extended third. So this is the A wave of the third wave. This is the B wave of the third wave. And we could move up much higher in a C wave. But I don't see that at the moment. And I would really only consider that if we really get 5 waves up here, which I'm tracking anyway, then this would be a 1, 2, 3. And we could track this even higher. But I don't want to propose that until we get a little bit more evidence, but these are sort of the two scenarios that I'm tracking. One of them just in the background, you know, as long as we're now holding the August low. Any break below the August low will open the door to 1800 and possibly even a bear market. So there are levels that now really need to hold, especially the August low, and then in the short term, what needs to hold is this support region that is currently, let me just double check that. Yeah, that is currently located between 2,580 and 2,880. Yeah, these need to hold. It's a correction. This correction is imminent. Maybe it's already unfolding. That's what I'm tracking for Bitcoin as well. What should be coming for Bitcoin, not yet started probably, but that's what I've been highlighting in the Bitcoin video as well, that we could be in a wave 4 pullback, or it could start soon. Watch for a 10 to rather 15% pullback, maybe a little more. But actually, I mean, this would, on the micro level, we could still here get one more high. That's also what I'm tracking for Bitcoin, but it's Ethereum might not do it. Okay, it doesn't need it either because it's already fulfilled requirements for the third wave when it reached the 138% extension at 3,268. Now, looking then at the shorter time frame, and there is really not anything to update. We're just moving sideways, and the problem is, I mean, I'm tracking here potential diagonal. That's what I've been tracking for Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin actually made a new high. Ethereum has again not made a new high, so it's quite weak. The overall upper support area for this internal fourth wave in wave C of that larger third wave we just discussed on the daily chart. I mean, the support area is 2,887 to 3,174. We've reacted to that one in the middle there, $3,012, but not really any impulsive upside reaction, so very weak. And I would not be surprised if we already in that fourth wave. Yeah. So just be ready for that. This at least doesn't, I would prefer one more high, okay? But this is getting quite protracted. So be ready for that dip in wave 4. And yeah, I would say especially if we break below 3,012 followed by a move below 2,887 can then send us to 2,718. There is no, anyway, the local trend is down. There's no impulsive reaction that would suggest this move up has started, unfortunately. So if you want to, however, play that scenario to the upside, then the invalidation point locally would be the Friday, the 15th of November low. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.